Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and this time I'm going to do unboxing of one watch I have purchased for from Flipkart for just 198 rupees. You can see the price here, cash on delivery is written over here. So let me open this box. And here is another box. So here is the box, and here is written the brand name, that is the Kajaru, be different. And this is the for the logo and all the things, and all the details are here. So here is I am opening the box, and here is the watch for kids. Kids watch is there, and it's still running watch. So let me take it out and show you the watch. This is the 7 to 8 years old boy watch. And you can see the quality of watch is nice. Rebel brand is there, and you can see the dial, very black color dial, and heavy. The dial is very heavy, so it is a small children's watch. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.